Gathushe mwanya muno kiwa mutegere Wero TV no ntubakona kanya gakwatana batu kie mubango yankombo che mithega yura yukuyera ntuko cyende cya Jumapili kwambiriria thaa 12 na dakika 45 kana wenda 6:45 pm na tutieri tukwithira tugechwa antu mwanya mwanya parapa ithirete bakiuma kio tumiri bwanda wa Chembogita barekana chino turobo puragira morotoni otiri tukwithira tukumenyethia ati inyewe nombe kwithira okirekana no tumiri bwanda wa Chembogita nkuloki tutiri tukwithira tukireta talambegi otumiri bwanda wa parapethaira abaiturutana pura tubatere kwithira tukiebukana na ukombo bupwa mithega na tukerware atwina muntu umwe uraombete kwithira kiuma kuma kio tumiri bwanda wa Chembogita mwaka uturobo wa bwithira bokiagira Beta wiriwa kinyero karibu sana. Twina Frank tuthirite tumwana mitandaone akieria kwithira gitetheria nto kuma kio tumiri bwanda wa Chembogita na nyankulokia akethire tuike kiro kendo rwawe kuma boro mbere kwithira kiumba na kiro kendo rwawe kio tumiri bwanda wa Chembogita na akethire tuira na te obuthakia.
Yes.
Kedemo tegire Wero TV.
Okay, one bit of Frank. Bitagangugina the National Treasury. I'm the sub-county accountant Igembe North and Mutwati. And also niko na biashara hapa na pale Kinoru. Ito Milimani Business Center. Yeah. Rumi the Kandhumbi, Kadheri. Yes. Is Meru Central. Yeah.
Aya, nenda Frank tuthia tugikuma kiero kendo roku number 1 apart from kwithira itokona sana. Okeria gutetheria antu kuma kiukombo mithega adina makwe na mateo mengi ya ukulukirite kendoro
yes
no konivweya kwithire kwitethia antu abengi bokenda kinya bataithire bai ukombo ni japo
yes
nenda tukuma kikaro kenda gaku briefly feel free to flow na story yako tuchape story hapo na pale bokenda twatira mutegiro Wero TV urombike kwithira agika kwa na kweya kuma kio tumiri bwanda wa Chembogita karemo ati kwina wirekiro na nombe kwithira akiumba na kiro kendoro na turobo agukethira bukiagira iriri biariri ndambiririo
mimi unipomba kuga atiri story je meamba ile pole tu yorantu bauga be na bakuthire ta social drinking yo bia indambirite kunywa nchobi kuma kitambo lakini most mantho ya ambirire kugaruka ndi kwithwa ndi na family issues na ndambire kwithirwa nukona ukethirwa te kwenda kwa nanja like most men nukona mtu aikaramba ene akarega kwana ndambiririo of course nandi ke mwana ume ora tukuwa Kimiru ni okona thine kija no mtu ndendete kwira antu iba ku notice wina issues lakini mwago te kwenda guciaria so twambiria twita social drinking na ntune kwenya na ira tukwita depression yejere pole like for the first 4 years you ndari kwethikindari na depression lakini antu bara bengi bona kwende na thina lakini endelea umo kana ndethero na ndio ni tukwenda nyagwita ngugine ndethero ante kwenda kuinya ku relate na family
aitoko bando waputake na treasury
yes like I've been working ndambiria meangu ki Mombasa South Coast Diani I worked there for 11 years no ndambirie kunyunya tu kidogo nuje nani mathai ja mengi na ara gutena ngugi nyingi yo ndachukanda ndeja transfer to Maua Igembe South actually au no thine kondo ejere kuonekana bwega no twandethere kwina a lot of issues in the family nanto ja biashara mbecha kura nambi then I tried to solve ndagire ku solve thine yu ndiko irio solve chare mana ntu no rangu tu solve no kwe tutekwiganwa bwega atuge tutekwiganwa so na nda tonya ki depression na nda ambire kunyunya onde muntu arukire kuma thainya like close to every day muga watuka I was barabe ta last man standing antu bakana bonthe ngagirinya ku bribe bange nkaba mahathira ke batika antige bakantiga gatika waninka no tunte kwendai kwana no tukwena ile ito trigger into kera gituma utonya into nchovi na into depression and the trigger was there mtora tutaigana uga ani mjente kwenda kwana so kakaramba ene so wero tweto mwisho ndaura wakwa ndacho akanyomba samwe ndacho muchore samwe ntona ndinte kwenda gwitha nyombe kweri So to cut the wrong story short, ndethirwo na ndinte kwenda kurelate na family. Tuje family nyingi chienda gutethia muntu muno. Abethirwo wakenda gutethia. But I can promise you kire muntu ura wajitwe. Those are the people ukamatoka nontu one kinya baba ti ukwerewa. Meba ti ukwerewa na ndi ugo kinyanja werero. Ugo no raire murevi muno kwina mbeche nyingi. Lakini uje gwikara. Gwikanyamoka gusukuma. Ugo nda uranja. Lakini mbere mbura wakwa indari ndi kwambira kwi rock ki room ekwa ana bakwa bandethere irio nyomba ekwa bedroom, that's what I mean. Baba bandethere irio na irio biu ntere ngurigana my last born my boy kere kaguko nujene ana ibendete kore nguko we anda munenkaira hake na mono lakini hata manyamba je twige tumie nto kore nguko ira so inda inchingirite nyomba na nda make my room a dark room. Baraba kutaka episodes pako hivyo kwa nimbuka kwa I made ntendete kuona you know you don't want morning to come. Ntendete kukea ntu ikwenda kwita ngugine na ndina the stress antu kumba kwenda kumba biashara neja kwa I love farming winda, so I abandoned all the good things that were helping me including family and friends and everybody ndachiingira. So but as things went, of course family bakuona there is a big problem. Bona kwina thina, a friend of mine tiuga no eta contact my family bamwira mwirigi aendi vizuri vile anaenda, so that's when they decided to take me to the rehab. Of course and rehab na imbu nontoba mantu angari na ambi naranda akara single room ndakara ratwari ndakara nkimuthamanya ko araba mse bambethire mse my mom, my sister and my two friends araba ambethiri ndikana nya mse no mse muntu kwe jori expected like in a one bedroom house no ya ni bed sitter ni naenda ite borumu aja ni wangu mami au tonya ategi mami yo ero amwiri yu au my dad was surprised but they picked me up. Most people bet the rehab but they were the right thing muntu bakarega and only I love my mom so much. So I was told, well, your mom is not feeling well. Not kwenda wiki hospitali Nkobo. Na rehab ya Harmony passed, wakuruka Nkobo hospital na makidogo. So ndetegiria kwe. But I suspect something is not right ni atabejere bonde na undakaraga. And they really looked for me, but they found me. So that is how I ended up at the rehab, Harmony Therapy Center. Tukafika. So I checked in. And the good thing I accepted when I found out that mtu nedhara ijina aje tue Winnie si ati hujui, but now most people what is happening because I've been in the field now is that they don't know where to go, but sibakariria that is why you see I'm really trying to speak out antubakombanya kwa nani because me I'm able to listen. So I found now nikajipata kwa rehab. Yeah.
Was wait 3 months.
Yes, I stayed at the rehab from September 2023 tarehe 9 nikatoka tarehe 7 December 2023. That is 3 months at the rehab. Unanyang'anywa simu, uongei na watu wa nje for the first month, yeah. You're not even supposed to speak to anybody. Ukauga manto jaku, of course, oro kuuga na baka discover what is hurting you. Yeah, the second month then the family can come in and start speaking. Ekenda umba ku recover. Yeah. So I was at Harmony for 3 months. Yeah.
Wifuma hao na telefoni ya Tambiri.
When you get out, that's where the other challenge comes in, is that you don't know where to start. Lakini when you are at the rehab, most rehabs kuna exit plan, nuga unikadhi ya ujo. But is now what I have discovered is a disconnect between the family and the person. Most of these rehabs don't connect. Oni ndiuga ndenda kuambiria biashara, ndukorero biashara, but the family keraite consult ile ukaambiria naki. Imbio kaambiria ni chio biashara hiyo. But you see, when as I told you, by the third day oni ndio with Harmony. That discovery number 2 kira kenge gathumire oni andethira antobe na thina inene muno. Yago eri family issues which I antoba bainge bokurukira, which can be sorted out, or you agree amicably to split for the sake of sanity kila mtu. Only after like 3 days in that discovery really I didn't have a big problem. Ndethira antobe na thina inene chamiunda ukorandire utunyuro munda, you know you cannot compete. Yeah? Number 2, I'm lucky niko job, Yeah. Number 2, no, I was also lucky because I was not sacked. I told you I appreciate my employer. Iba and discovery me ake won't kweri mpite ngoge. I was working very well. So there must be something that is hurting me. So unde kuma. Yes, they allowed me to go to the rehab. They were part of the process. The sub-county commissioner Igembe Bwana Kibeta, I thank him. He really supported me. If you have been working well with people, all of a sudden uthikwenda kuja ngugine wo ushonye CD na mwirigi yari and assign this and this, you understand? So they really supported me, including my friends and my family. Onde kuma because I discovered exactly what was hurting me. Of course we split with my wife and we had to split. That was one of my trigger. I want to be a trigger. That was my problem. So I was left with the kids. Now I'm staying with the kids. I went back to work. I was given time to recover. I'm doing my businesses also now. And then thank God. Yeah. I'm happy. You can see. I wish you saw me if I had the picture before. Even after I just left rehab, the way I looked. But if you look at me now, I'm extremely happy. And I'm also happy to share. The stigma is very huge in the market. I've lost friends. I cannot touch them here. We have lost friends in this town because of depression. If it was the time like me now, I am very sure I would have saved 1 or 2. We lost them and they are dead, then they are buried, and that is it. And they were simply in depression. Lakini ukera wogona ndi mbecha winacho. Na ukaidha. My sister, you cannot go telling people sijui mtu anafanya hivi, mtu anafanya hivi. But now we have to, no lazima uwe mtu romba kwa raidia and warume especially the ladies, you are lucky wena chama. Beta boka boruna uja kathira. Mtu murume arita gachingiro unda achingirite. And I can promise you that area raja, of course murungu no tojukaje, lakini I was in a big mess. Whenever I'm busy, you know it. I was in a big mess. I was lucky I was not sacked by my employer. Simply because of the way I related with people before. No, this we need to save this girl. Yes, I'm also looking at kanisa na Jakianthumbi St. Joseph's. I've really helped to build that church. Reserve na uwe uteza viantu hapa na pale. So mimi nyamurungu bwana weka mtoka kari akachoke kidogo, si time yake. And I thank God. Yeah. Yeah. You see, you know most they must be having a problem. If you have a friend wena mchore tumurume thai tu kinyanja suruka around achore bakubara wina bo muntu atonya mbaye ne thainya cherukiri ati nambaye ne ntuku kathira bange bakeza ibaraba kunywa socially bakaraka nyama kao bakanywa kidogo bageta family chiao mtu wo no gati wa mbaye ne. Is that person normal? Kwina thina, we have to accept. Lakini tuuga mtu kare murevi imbiwa matuki chiuri imbia matuki unianda matuki something. Yes, I was running away from a situation for a very long time. I thought my kids, I really love my kids, very close with them. You know, it is not money. So you just tarera na usgaro kwa tawadoro. Yeah, akambira turenda giki na giki. I made sure they got them. Untinyora warikuwa she didn't care. Yeah, that's actually one of the reasons why we had to split on that. She didn't care. Nyande kwa rehab na rekere kuja kuombona. Nukuona. Mbugire ntea person lakini jafute person nura kwari na rekere. So how can you sort a problem mtu arega kera tu kwenda nyapo japo waraniria. Si alikata. So we got other solutions. So mtu kurea kuanda kwa stress. So I had to stay in the bar.
Kuendi uwe kunywa kuku kwa itambire mbaye.
Continuous. Uni I can promise you kwa mwaka ke miaka iwe na kana 5. wini kwi mwaka ndanywire junthe 365 days
every day.
Yes. Na inya ntuku yu ngikwariria those who know me and my family they know ke 365 ngo I'm very sure those 4 years ndanyunya 3 something I was just drinking, but now I'm not drinking. So ask yourself why I'm not taking beer. 1 year 8 months now sober. Uviri uchuri ari niki and I've drank for like 15 years. Ere tari depression ere social na nini lakini miaka ya mwisho aje it was pure depression. Na ichuri when somebody aikweriab or na ati enjoy no kona there must be na kwe kintu kera kya au enjoy tu tige kwera antu yeah let's stop laboring people are heavy and akumanya your brother your sister kira gitumanyo enjoy na kira gitumanyo drugs. People are facing a lot of things kinya chukuru kinyana babetu ninkwere manto a single mother. Yeah, you know, boys are being brought up by single mothers, especially the boys. Tenkuga ladies but tena thina kini boys ibobe na thina muno. Most of them 90% they have been brought up by single mothers. Niki mea boy yura gatritwa soft mai eta kufizi dunia hata wezana na hii dunia kinya fizi days you know relating nyana it becomes a big problem. All these boys need a father figure, all of them either on uncle, but you know the problem is that this breakup in the society uncle bara weta kibo we and families chere ingi tora chiari mbere kabere ateu and boy eta kire uncle on issues bande atena gogwita aka brought up by the mother ngina na mwendete tutekurega lakini amwenda monga mwana orere akaumara ki society ateu mbana na society iji bara baingi nonture ari na bamwe na orongo bu tukwaria no kumanyora babu bukwaria rimwe boko baba ko ari kufa and he's not dead amutha ko ri akamenya atikwite. Those are the other issues. At least anto bakenya ande jauni I have no problem kinya my wife whatever keja kurelate na ana for in future I should not have a problem. Still the mother remains the mother. Sindio? Na ndi antu ipatike kuwera mwana na ndio wewe nda kurere na kero a lot of things no kukwata kero huyu alipotea alifanya lakini apotere ijangete no kuona aurere no ntuku bataririte na ngino mwana aura lakini ugo reto kwa mtu ka urere are kuthomithia twastora na ugwe lakini ya kinya moja rete issues. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah.
So ndi kaita ka uko wiki addiction. Were addicted to
nchobia lakini ndanyunya. Yeah, sija kunywa other drugs. Beer, but a lot of beer. Crate ya white cup. Kira kanse ibere ni ndanyunya ka they had stuff. Baricho tinabo bange anto bakunywa. Beer I took my white cup. Ibaya sana. A crate. Ukudoganya kunywa crate 25 beers. Yeah, no kumenya no ntukumba kumenyo niki. Ugatonya bae nemwe. Empita ya kinoru gardens yare onto ndetaga muno na ndi wantu bambiria kwararia ukagwa te kurelate kana anything uko mekunywa 3 beers yao o shift to another bar you know this shifting of bars kiko tumonywa nchobi nyingi. I used to really I took a lot of beer. Yeah, a lot of beer. Yeah, at the end I enjoy in the last days I was very quiet taragia. Yes, I didn't talk. And I'm very back at home to know you can don't bury them on away. Kundo muchuba. Cannot take an nani. Yeah. Na ndi nungu kwera. Then when you ask too much, man, of course, anto bake menyan witango gi. Bakuri mwirike goro atere tango gene akweja atindaja. Second day that day. Nuje lazima bakuri na keke kora buterwe. Wote tango gene. Biuri biengi ankauma. I moved to another one. So even you move to those bars where people know you. You move to Kathimbi. What I did that. Moving, yeah.
Atiari baku the family now after recover for career, bukuta agreements maybe bakona the change, ibakwa ilianende, owe bakona vai. Na tebeka kwa.
They are the happiest. My parents suffered. And actually, otherwise they suffered. They have not even recovered up to now. My parents suffered because of me, and I know that. So, lakini they are doing better. Parents suffer more. They even suffer more than the person who is addicted. He suffered more than me. Looking for me. You know, my mom kuthutangari na kuretho driver kunchwa town ije everywhere akadiscover ko antu aranyunyaga muno kana ndanyunyaga muno na ndi aringa tu thimu akaera mtu fulani yeto ntekerekera mwirigi ari in a certain place akeronde au akarelax. She was happy that at least she knew where I was. My parents really suffered, and kinyatha ai antu bara ngogire kwa riavo. Let me tell you, the parents are suffering because of their sons and daughters. Muchiari atra ku suffer. Tuna one expected a lot, nuko na nya expectations kia dunia na chio icho tumenya again nyanto basafa kinyaba have an addiction. Nuko na expectations na kukarokera mtu, you know, when you keep on telling somebody so and so comparing you with other people, tulipeleka India ukasoma, sasa wewe angalia vile huko. That's another big problem in the families, ku compare. But I'm happy, my parents are happy, my siblings are happy, my kids are happy, they are the happiest. I'm available now. Kitambo nilikuwa nimekwambia ni pesa, nitatuma pesa, unataka kwenda wapi, unataka pizza nitanunua, I buy everything. But I was not there. Now I'm always with my kids. Hata nikimaliza saa hii straight kwa nyumba niangalia vile wako kwa nyumbani saa hii. And my friends are also very happy, the ones who really helped me. But not all, not pia watu wajue si wote marafiki. Unajua jina hii marafiki tunaitumia sana. Si kila mtu, very few. Yeah, very few. Yeah.
I did Frank the next 3 minutes okay arige mutagira Wero TV akwina ntwa bingi amfrisho abakulukirite nzarene ciaku batebeti ari mutagira Wero TV kwina we umbikia kwithira akiri kumakio kombo wa mithega kwe bwenya batawo mako bateko ni nyakweri ndendo baria no bonye ukethira Frank na ibire kulukira rukendo na akinyanto na manto ya chinchia bwakira kila kitu kia sawa uone that kwina wirigiro kiboxo bakagiva that channel
Keri viewers by Wero TV. Mukona aja just 1 year 8 months ago I had given up totally. So urampo mbake kuuga there is hope. I fought depression and I defeated it. Lakini tutuga defeating completely, we call ourselves recovering addicts. Anything can happen, so we have to keep on learning na to be positive. There's a future in life. Inavutira yani kutereza sio kuanguka. There's a big future because like me just the other day I'd given up completely. Now I have hope. I'm also giving hope to a lot of people. I'm talking to a lot of people. Na nyoro bakwenda kwa renani, they can come and speak to me. Lakini kufunge mpenda kuuka that it be a family, you know, oran kwa renani I'm discovering a lot of things. And to let it be a family issue. Them to ugamwana wewe tu unenkera we. That with the acceptance on all the signs, and I'm very sure we are going to help a lot of people. I'm available. People are speaking to me. I'm not trained or anything, but through my experience, undirende kuthetheria na nguthetheria tume uwezo wangu, because niliona Mungu pia alinisaidia, nimejaribu kusaidia wengine na nitaendelea kusaidia. Yes.
Wow. Yeah. Mtu akaenda ukinyela maybe social media accounts kana when I'm talking.
Yeah, you can get me on Facebook. I'm very active. On Facebook I'm very active. Franklin Mwirigi Munene. I post there, Franklin Mwirigi Munene. Franklin is then E. Akona kamtoka watakato bicho akona kamtoka kameja. I'm also on TikTok as thank you. Nanchi beta thank you. My grandfather used to call me thank you. We used to say thank you, that is thank you. Thank you, SENQUO on TikTok. You can also call me on my number. 0722 933 400. That is my number. Sija feature because I'm ready to help people. I have no problem. Now me antoba bengi they don't need to actually to check into the rehab. Nyao nimbeteka if I really got help mapema singeenda rehab, but I had to go. But now when we speak hari inasaidia. Othamba kanya thank baraba my thank Harmony Therapy Center sana walinisaidia sana. I thank my primary cancer anaitwa Raymond Mutwiri, still my friend now. bado wananisaidia na tunasaidia wengine. We have a group where people can also become members if they really want to know about depression na baraba kumake these issues kana tutethania in that group. I thank my family, my mom, my dad, my sisters, my brothers and my beautiful kids and my friends for everything. Nashukuru sana. Yeah.
No, tuendelee kwa shukuri. Ili mtu nakulokeni wakaona.
Yeah, and also sometimes hata ukitaka kunipata you can always get me at Milimani Business Center. Kenoru Stadium opposite Kenoru Stadium. Kuna kaosh hapo, kuna rentals, is a business center. Kuna biashara nyingi hapo kuja to promote. If you want to meet me, you can also meet me there. Wakati siko job. Like now I'm on leave, so I'm a bit more available. Ande munde ne kadhari na ngitaka body na ngoro na beyond. Nimpendete kurima muno. Ndio.
Bakulokera uite urudhirie Frank. Uranda ine TV ne
Frank, yeah.
Akithene kadeshe mwenye mno kiyo Frank twagita rengi na rengi ndo ye purely twaririe mutegero.
Yes. Purely now we know we can speak as in topic wise. Topic frani, there are so many topics oro kwa nankia area. I'm ready, we can work together so that we are able to help a lot of people. Niko tayari kukuja. So unajua nilikuwa nini sana. Like barama I'm ready. Yeah.
Kandashe mwanya mno kiewe mutegero Wero TV no tubakona kanya gakwatana abatu kimobango yankombo chemithega ruru karirono ra mwanya rwa Frank kumabrombire kwithira aki umaki utumire bwanda wa chembo gita yaraithire kulokira mwankatha hiyo tiro turobwawe bukwagira na bocho kanira na ibwetete ambere bweya ithira wino tukobo bweya betwa winio kinyero.